Hey, the Water Boss here. I got a couple of pond-less water features I want to show you that we constructed last year. Let's go take a look. This water feature has great curb appeal. It flows down the rapids, making great sound into the reservoir below, which houses the pump and the autofill. The beauty of a pond-less water feature is it's very low maintenance. So I already showed you the main waterfall. That's your curb appeal waterfall. That gets all the people going by looking like, wow, that looks cool. But on this side, I wanted some sound to reverberate back towards the customer's side of the house in the circle driveway, so that can be enjoyed from both sides of the yard, whether it be the curb appeal or cars going by, the traffic, or the people pulling up to the nice estate entryway and being able to see a nice waterfall. That's how we're making water work for you here in the landscape. So at Steele Landscapes, we're bringing a lot of nice, diverse construction methods, whether it be a nice pond-less water feature, or a koi pond, or an eco-style pond to grow some nice water lilies. I'm the Water Boss, and we want to make water work for you in the landscape setting.